Hey everybody, Sal
here with Alex Athey.
And we are in our headquarters in Orlando, Florida. Today, we are going to show you how to use the product headline skill. And the product headline skill works a little bit different than the other headline skills because it includes pricing and includes a little adjective about what your product does or what a feature it has. So let's just jump right into it. You'll see on the left-hand side, you'll see the generation window. Here you would copy and paste. I'm so used to copy and paste. Here you would type whatever it is that you are selling. If it's a product, you put shoes, for example, and then you'll give some type of adjective that describes the shoes and then the price point of the shoes. For this example, we're just going to grab a copy and paste, as I said before, and one of the products. We'll drop them in there. Remember that you can always speak to Haley, the satellite writer. Just hit the microphone button and speak whatever it is that you want to type up, and it will appear there like magic. I believe this skill also can get fiction and nonfiction mode.
It absolutely does. We've included some fiction examples down here, like how about a domesticated unicorn?
Yeah, so if you like role playing, or you're writing sci-fi, or you're selling cool sci-fi style things, try the nonfiction fiction modes. It's pretty cool. You can also use the AI temperature settings if you've activated them in your account, and you'll have a little bit more control of how artistic Haley produces content.
There's a general rule of thumb there. When you go a higher temperature, you'll get more creative outputs, but they're more likely to go off topic too. Like you might start with katana and she'll decide you really want to talk about samurai.
Yeah, any correlation, really. Mm-hmm. On the right-hand side, you have developer notes, which were written by
me. I got very, very sick of them by the end of these skills, let me tell you.
I was just a pharaoh on the top with a whip. We need more developer notes. We want to make sure everybody's using it correctly. But we're here now, and it works fantastic. So let's go ahead and generate this product headline.
Now, I've actually tested this katana one before, and I've seen some very good outputs. I'm curious.
All right, let's see.
Oh, here, that's good. A beautiful and sharp handmade katana sword for the true warrior.
Yeah, that's what I need. That's what I need in my life.
Like the sound of that.
So the same as all our skills, you get 3 different generations. Unlike any of our competitors, which only give you 1, we give you 3 different options to choose the best one that fits yours. Remember, you can always edit them once you select it. You do have the word count, the readability score, and the grade level that it reads at. And if we scroll down, you can see that you can expand, reload, and finalize the skill. For this purpose, we're just going to finalize. And here we'll get dropped back into the Haley AI editor, and there might be some suggestions.
Apparently doesn't know what the word katana is. I'm going to have to go whitelist that one.
Uh-oh.
A handmade katana. I was like, I don't know what a katana is.
Well, apparently Haley has never used a katana before.
Probably safer that way.
On some skills, you can just ignore it if it gives a wrong suggestion, and it will be just removed from the thing. You can also plagiarize check to make sure that this type of copy was not written anywhere else, and it's yours, and it's original, and you can use it freely.
But one thing about that plagiarism check, the service is that you have to have a minimum of about a paragraph. So if I tried, it's probably going to complain we don't have enough. Because it's like, well, that's a sentence. But yeah, in general, though, that skill works that's a very useful check on articles and everything.
Great. So if you scroll down, we'll get a related images to your sushi.
It's like, you want a katana? How about some sushi?
Well, there's a bunch of sushi places called Katana, so I know where she's coming from. Cutting boards and some sharpening tools. You can also go down if you don't find related images that you like for your copy. Katana is a whole different thing. You can go ahead and do a search yourself and find related pictures. With that being said, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you have your content information, which gives you all information about the content that was drafted, along with the ability to download all, which will give you a zip file with your pictures, with your Word documents, with your everything that came out of the system. Text, PDF, Word, and images in JPEG, possibly PNG. With that being said, thank you so much for joining us on our product headline skill tutorial, mini tutorial, I would say. And we do have a challenge that you might want to check out. It's coming out soon, and it is the product headline description challenge, where you can take all your products, create descriptions for them, and populate them to Amazon, Shopify, WordPress, or whatever service, WooCommerce, whatever service you use that you need product descriptions for. With that being said, thank you so much, and we will see you on the next one.
Hey, thank you so much. Have fun playing with Haley AI.